Yeah, and to the plastic cup boys, we also got some plates, some napkins. We also got some styrofoam coming in. We ain't stopping that plastic. No,
Mr. Katt, are you broke?
Ah! Your jaw is broke. Ain't gonna lie. Ow, still cheering.
How do you feel, Katt?
Kevin Hart and his brother was a lot stronger than I thought they would be. We was the same size. That was a fair fight.
You know that wasn't Kevin Hart.
Who was it? That wasn't Kevin Hart and his brother?
That was just some little kids.
Whose kids was that?
Okay, Katt. It's been an eventful last few weeks, to say the least, wouldn't you say?
By eventful, what would you mean by that, boy?
Well, let's start with the Kevin Hart comments. You essentially said that he had a hand up his ass and that he's a puppet.
I clearly stated that Kevin had a hand up his ass and that he was a puppet.